Welcome back to Ralda Tutor channel. Today, since your exam is approaching, we'll not do the long lesson, but this short this short exercise will be okay for today. That is exercise 9.2. We'll go straight to the exercise. That is question number 1. Find the product of the following pairs of monomials. In the previous class we have learned about addition and subtractions of algebraic expressions. In algebraic expressions, we can add or subtract only the like terms, as we have all known it. But in this lesson about division and multiplication, even the unlike terms can be multiplied. So here we are giving you a lesson of multiplication. Step number 1, 4 and 7p. If you multiply 4 and 7p, 4 7s are 28, and p will carry it on with it. And step number 2, here minus 4 and 7p is there. If you multiply minus 4 and 7p, minus will be carried in the answer. 4 7s are 28, and p is double here. P into p is p square. So that will be the answer, minus 28p square. In question number 3, minus 4p and 7pq. If you multiply minus 4p with 7pq, minus 4 into 7 are 28. How many p's are there? 2 p's are there. That means p into p is p square, and q is still there. So the answer will be minus 28p square q. In sum number 4 here, 4p cube and minus 3p. 4p cube into minus 3p. Why we put a bracket here? Just because if the mathematical operation symbols multiply and minus is going to be next to each other, and that will be one will be put to the bracket. So 4 3s are 12, so minus will be carried out, then carried on. So how many p's are there? 4 p's are there, so p to the power 4. So minus 12p to the power 4 will be the answer. And number 5, 4p to 0. Any number, if you multiply with 0, the answer will always be 0. Ole. Tuna chuan exercise 9.2 kan lo kaya nga in exam 10 na ito wangin toite tak exercise toite may kanhan NC na nga kanhan zirchi na nga exercise 9.2 hitoya chuan hite hi kan zira nga abak chu vo ina tan chuan exam atana in bot se na hulen mangdoni exercise 9.2. Find the product of the following pairs of monomials. Product is multiplied in a puntir in a mo. Exercise class masa khan 9.1 khan algebraic expressions belle pai kan zira. Kata khanin like terms kan ti atram in ang te chau kha kan belin kan pai thei ta. Chu algebraic expressions belle pai da chu ta ni. Unlike terms te kha chu angai kan la thale zelani khamo khatin khani ta ma se sem le puntir multiplication le division puntir le sema chuan unlike terms kan ti atram in anglo te po kha puntir vek thei to ni chu sema po ni thawa tram in anglo te po ha sem thei vek ani chu da chung kha en chin ta hai ol same me ma 4 le 7p ron ta pali mun sari somni pariat kha pi kha keng nga langa mo kha khane maya ma se belle paya chuna thei velo ni kha khamo tram in anglo kha chu hei tai chon minus 4p into 7p lo ni ta minus 4p into 7p lo ni chuan minus palimun sari som ni pariat lo ni tro ni riat p hi pani nia p le p puntir chuan p into p chu p square ani zelang bel le pai a khan ne kan ngai puleng ti hlom thina bel le pai a kha chuan p hi an tramen ang chu p kha kha ti khan angain p to pina rongkal thata puntir a chun p po kha kan puntir tel zel ani p into p ti hanwa p into p chu p square khating khan kan ti zelangai ta ni chuan number 3 point chiang khom maya number 3 and minus 4p into 7p q lo ni ta tro chuan minus kha arong keng thanga langa 4 into 7 chu 28 lo nia chuan p hi paniom wangin p into p chu p square lo nia q hi ron om tel ta bok chuan answer chu minus 28p square q alon don ta ni chuan ta hian 4p cube le minus 3p kan nia 4p cube into minus 3p ngatinge bracket akan da bi kan ti chuan mathematical symbols kami minus plus divide less khating multiply ang si ta kha om kopreng lai chuan pakhat zok zok hi minus ang si himo khating han bracket akan da ta ni chu palimun thum som pani lo nia minus sign akanga som pani chuan p hi tain pathum oma tain pakhataron ombel le a p4 mo han 4p le 0 hei chu explain angai lo mai eng number po 0 ne na I puntir chuan answer chu 0 ni tho tho ta ni chu mo kha kha kan hriat mai ta ni sela thaw me ti chuan rokawat nok ve sing kar number 2 nei kan answer nanga mo number 2 na hian find the areas of rectangles with the following pairs of monomials as their lengths and breadths respectively. Yeah. Mizo trong chuan heng atnoya monomial in pair zel te hi rectangle a length le a breadth ni ta sela a area zong de. Areas of rectangle chu kan hret an khan length chin to breadth ani maya in puntir tur. Mo a length le breadth puntir tur khan maya chuwang chun hei hi p po ni se p hi a length ni se q hi a breadth ni se ti na mai ni chutin chun puntir tu ti na ne mai chun p into q pq kha answer ni maya mo 10m le 5n kha a length le breadth lo ni ta se area chu 10m into 5n na ne nga som mun nga som nga mn mo te zel khan heta number 3 a po hian 20x square hi a length ni se 5y square hi a breadth ni ta seng area chu 20x square into 5y square mo som ni mun nga za x square y square ni le maya chuan 4x le 3x square hi lo ni le ta se 4x into 3x square lo ni nga ti chuan palimun thum som pani x kha pathum omanga x cube mo tiang zelin sum number 5 apo 3mn le 4np long ta se area chu 3mn le 4np puntiranga pathum hun li som pani m ma oma n hi pani aum tabi ka n into n to n square chan p mo m n square p long dot ta ni chu okay here the question asks you to do to find the areas of rectangles with the following pairs of monomials as their lengths and breadths respectively. That means in these monomials, the pairs of monomials, one is the length and another one is the breadth. And we all know that the areas of rectangle formula is length into breadth. That means we have to multiply the length and the breadth. Suppose this p is the length and q is the breadth. That means in order to find out the areas of rectangle, that you have to multiply p and q. That is the length and the breadth of that rectangle. By using polynomials, it is given that the possibilities to multiply the monomials in case of these, the question is given like that. So we can go to sum number 1, p. Suppose p is the length and q is the breadth. That means areas of rectangle is length to breadth. That means p into q, so the answer will be pq. in here in the same way, sub number 2, 10m and 5n is there. So the area is 10m into 5n. So 10 5s are 50, mn will be there with it. So the answer will be 50 mn. In sub number 3, 20x square and 5y square is there. So the area will be also here, suppose 20x square is the length and 5y square is the breadth. So in order to find the areas, we have to multiply both these monomials. So 20x square into 5y square will be the clue here. 25 is 100, x square and y square will be there with it as the answer. So the answer will be 100 x square y square. In sum number 4, the same way here we have 4x and 3x square. As for the breadth and length of the rectangle, so in order to find out the areas, we have to multiply the length and the breadth here. So area will be 4x into 3x square. 4 threes are 12. X into x square is x cube. So here x is there, another 2x are here. So if you multiply x square with x, so the answer will be x cube. So the whole answer will be 12x cube. In the same way here in question number 5, suppose 3mn is the length and 4np will the breadth, and area will be length into breadth, that means 3mn into 4mp, 4np. So the answer will be 3 fourths are 12, m is there, and n is occurring 2 times, that means n into n is n square, and p will remain the same here, and so the answer will be 12m n square p. So we come to understand how to multiply the monomials here in this chapter, multiplying the monomials. So in the next class, maybe in question exercise number 9.3, we may be able to learn how to multiply monomials with binomials or trinomials, how to multiply binomials and binomials with trinomials or something like that. We'll learn in the next class. In this chapter we are going to learn about how to multiply the monomials only, because this is the basic. So in order to complete the table, the question asks you to complete the table of products. So this column is given to you: 2x minus 5y, 3x square minus 4xy, 7x square y minus 9x square y square. Here in this row, 2x minus 5y, 3x square minus 4xy, 7x square y minus 9x square y square is given. So we will multiply as it is here: 2x into 2x, 2 2s are 4, x into x, x square. So to write here, so you have to multiply 2x with 5y minus 5y, 2 5s are 10, minus will be carried on, x y is there. 2 into 5 is minus 10, no, 2 into minus 5 is minus 10, xy. So here, so 2x will still remain the same here, 2x will remain the same. This 2x will be multiplying with 3x square here. 2 3s are 6, and x will occur 3 times, so x cube. Like that, 2x will multiply with minus 4xy, that will be minus 8x square y. So 2x will multiply with 7x square y, so 2 7s are 14, and x occur 3 times, so x cube y. So 2x will multiply with this 9, or with this minus 9x square y square, so the answer will be minus 18x cube y square. So if you look at it carefully, these 2x and 2x multiply, then it multiplies separately here, and the answer is given underneath it. So like that, in order to write here in this column, this 5 minus 5y will multiply with this 2x. It will multiply one by one, okay? So the answer is written here in this column, okay? So that is the way it is done here. I hope you understand. Now, okay, I'll firstly explain it in Mizotong again. Hemi table hida kha vector ta helai pei hi aron pe a helai chukha heron peleta mo an peichen ang veka 2x minus 5y 3x square minus 4xy 7x square y minus 9x square y square ti te omta helai hen chukha zong ti khana om veleta chon helai borvel hi ruak vek anga khan lo ngai taila mo ruak vek anga ngai taila engelo omta ang helai chuak thei tur chuan hei le hei hi kalputirang panhi mun hi pali x into x square mo te khan chon helai mi jek tur hian helai mi hi om tur hian enge ka tiang hei 2x hian minus 5y hi va puntir liang mo 2 5 are 10 mo minus 10 chon panhi mun nga somalon ta minus apua chon x ne y ne ve fe chon kha kan puntir chok zer khatai kan je kan chu 2 in 3x square kan puntir anga 6x cube lo chok khateng zer khan hei hian hei hi puntir nga ta kan je kang hei hian hetlai mi hi puntir anga hei kan ziak leang hemi hian to berami puntir anga ta hen kan ziak kang khateng zer khan hei helai mi ziak tur po hian hei hian hei kan puntira ta kan ziak mai mo chon hei le hei kan puntira answer khatai kan ziak mai mo assign ka multiply tel thing hello tur minus into minus 2 plus an mo 5 minus 5 into minus 5 so 25,000 mo y square o khateng khan assign ka multiply assign kha dang ani all and chiang uluk ula hei hi exam na tel don chuang lo ma ro chu ufoina class toy te nei ram kha tha kan define hei an zir tel ania mo kha hemi ti dan chu mai an tinan helai chuak tur zon hemi among ber le helai mi hi ipunti ranga hi lo chuaka hei le hemi puntir hi helai mi hi mai mo khatin khan answer kha kan da ta ni so question number 4 kal le taila let's go to question number 4. Obtain the volume of rectangular boxes with the following length, breadth and height respectively. We all know that rectangular boxes means cuboid. Okay, I better write the formula here. Let me write the formula here. The formula to find out the volume of cuboid. Cuboid is a rectangular box, okay? Cuboid is equal to length into breadth, into height. Alright, so that is the formula to find out the volume of a cuboid. So here 5a is the length, 3s squared is the breadth, and 7f to the power 4 is height. In order to find the volume of a cuboid, you have to multiply the length and the breadth and the height all together. So here, according to the formula, we have to arrange these monomials accordingly. Volume equal to 5a into 3a squared and 7a to the power 4. That means we have to multiply the coefficient, the numerical value, the numerical coefficient of each monomials, that is 5, 3 and 7. So 5 3s are 15, 15 7s are 105. So 105. How many a are there? 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, a to the power 7 will be there altogether. Like that. In the same way here in question number 3, no, sub number 3. In sub number 3, xy, comma, 2x squared y, comma, 2xy squared. In order to find out the volume here, you have to multiply all these. So xy into 2x squared y into 2xy squared. So that the numerical coefficient which is there here is 1, 1, 2 are 2, 2, 2 are 4. 4, how many x are there here? 1 is there here, 2, 3, and 4. X to the power 4. How many y's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So x to the power 4, y to the power 4 is there. So I missed out sub number here. I missed out sub number 2 and 4 maybe. Yeah. Here I missed out sub number 4 and sub number 2. That you have to do it by yourself. Okay, and do it in the assignment in your notebook and submit it today. So in question number 5, we see that obtain the product of, yes, obtain the product of. Product means multiplication, as we have said. Here x, y, y, z, and z, x, we have to multiply it all together. X, y into y, z into z, x. How many x are there? X here is there, another x is here, so x square, and y here, another y here, so y square, and z also is occurring 2 times, so z square, x squared, y squared, z square will be the answer. And in sub number 3, 2 into 4y into 8y squared into 16y cubed, we have to multiply it all together. So here the numerical coefficients are 2, 4, 8, and 16. If you multiply it all together, 2 4s are 8, 8 8s are 64, 64 16s are 1024. So 1024 is the coefficient, the product of coefficient, and the variables here, y is there, y squared is there, y cubed is there. All together we have 6 y's. So the answer will be 1024 y to the power 6. In the same way here in sub number 5, m is there minus mn, and mnp is there. So we will multiply all together, m into minus mn into minus mnp. So the sign minus will be here in the answer. So how many m are there? See here, m. So m is there 3 times, m cubed. So n is there 2 times, so n square. P is occurring only once, so p will have no exponents. So the answer will be minus m cubed n square p. Okay. Here also I have missed out sub number 2 and sub number 4, so you have to do it by yourself. So that's all is the exercise for today. Okay, question number pali na kan en lenga rectangular boxes oma heng anoi monomial stang te hi aleng le abret le height ten ni an volume jong chok roti volume of cuboid chu kan hriat angin leng le abret le height pon tir vek ani maya ti chuan heng monomials pathum teng the leng le abret le height lo ni ta se a volume engen yanga ti ta chai mai ni chu heng monomials te pathum hi buntir mai turani 5a into 3a square into 7a to the power 4 lonta chuan heng kan puntir vek ang numerical coefficients kan ti ho hi hemi variables ma number hoi kan puntir vek nga panga mun thum som panga mun sari za panga mo hei n nei vek le ngala e a power lang deu ne mai eng jang he om pakhat pan he pathum pali panga pro pasari a to the power 7 za panga a to the power 7 kha answer ni maya chuting chi bok chuan helai hian x y le 2x square y le 2xy square lom ta volume don chuan volume kan mu chu don chuan kan puntir le vek mai nga hei xy ma hian engma om velawa chumi a chu 1 om ti kan hre reng kha pakhat mun ni pani mun ni pali mo pali x sang he om pakhat pani pathum pali chuan y po pali om thowa chuan answer chu pali x to the power 4 y to the power 4 lon ta ni chuan number 2 le number 4 kha ka tilawa langma nin ron tianga assignment ron submit na han ron tel tur ani sub number 5 chuan obtain the product of ati he chu puntir top ane mai mo product of ti chan puntir top ro aron tin an chu tin chuan kan puntir top mai do na x y y z z x kan puntir chuan han puntir tai la engeng x wen sang om tai khat ni x square ne maya y po wen ni om ani y square z po x square y square z square kha answer ne mai ta hian hei a fatam te teuve true oma 4y oma 8y square oma 16y cube oma puntir vector ne sia 2 into 4y into 8y square into 16y cube balonta kan puntir vek ang pani munli pariat mun riat somruk pali mun som paruk sang khat som ni pali y jang e om pakhat pani pathum pali panga paruk y paruk om sang khat som ni pali y to the power 6 kha answer ni le maya mo number 5 apo m le minus mn le mnp lonta m into minus mn into mnp lonta minus si hey adangina pu ve top 0 puntir pui turin tan minus si kal tanga answer m exam e om khat nei thum m pathunga m cube n hi khat ni m hi pani oma square p hi chuma chauna oma chuwa jan tingal lamenga answer chu minus m cube n square p lo ne mai don ta ni khang ho khawo ina kan zir tur chu long ni ta soidong khan exam an hai to wangin claim te zir lo aya kan han ti ani chuan kan hria thiam lo au mani chuan whatsapp ate meno zo tanga tin portion kan ron da kha shelo tin omle he hunge kha lo en uluk ula portion kan ron sei to kha portion po kha tam lo in thiam nu vek en test nu vek to kha ni wangin test nu kha first time exam ati ha kan han tile ta nia kha lo en uluk ula lo zir ula lo thiam ula kan du ani kha zong kha voina kan zir the tok ni sela in zafa in exam ata na du sakna samar lan chungin le khazir nuam le vek ule